Hi guys, it's Cassie. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're a seasoned subscriber. Today we are going to be getting into what is inside my carry-on bag. Yes. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie. I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Fridays. So if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably going to like those too. So head down there, click the red button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Guys, are you ready? Let us begin. So, I am going to Greece, ready to live my best Greek life, you know? It isn't a long flight. I think it's like 3 or 4 hours, but a bitch has got to be prepared, you know? So basically everything in this carry-on is what I would usually take on a long-haul flight as well. I love this bag. She's got a fabulous strap that you can adjust and all of that. So, you know, she can hang from the shoulder and take a little bit of pressure off the wrist or the crook of the elbow, you know what I'm saying? So, this is the large Versace Palazzo Empire. Wonderful leather. You've got the Medusa face at the front there just to make everyone aware that she, you know, she's Versace. Yeah, you've got the yellow trim, which I'm very much here for. The other thing I love about this bag is it's big. You can throw everything in and you can do a this moment, or you can put the flaps forward to have a bit more closure. It's a little bit Birkin-esque in that kind of way, right? But absolutely not a Birkin. Let's get on to the insides. The first thing I have in here is I have a travel wallet. So this is from Smythson, which is a London-based stationer. Okay, they do stationery, but they also do leather goods. I have had this for forever. Obviously, we have it in this python embossed, it's leather, in this wonderful orange. Inside, we have my medical records printed out for all the vaccinations I've ever had, just in case I get stopped anywhere. My passport, which also has a Smythson case on it, that says True Brit. Not my choice. My mum picked this out for me. I mean, I'm British, but okay. I have like all my lounge passes and stuff like that. We have some currency. Let's get into it. I have $4, okay? Get me to a strip club because I'm about to make it rain. Ghana currency as well, some cedis. There's a little zip in the middle there where I can put coins, and that's about it. And then I have leftover tickets that I should probably bin, but you know, they hold memories. I keep all of my tickets in here. It has a little slot at the back, so for easy access, I'll put my boarding pass on the day I'm going. All of that. I just love this. Everything in one place. Done. Okay, so firstly, this pouch is from HRH collection. You bought something and then you got this fabulous pouch with it, which I love. So I have just repurposed the pouch to use as my little drug wallet. Inside, what do we have? We have a Burt's Bees honey lip balm because nobody likes a dry lip. We have got a Pedialyte electrolyte powder in the flavour Strawberry Breeze, okay? We have got wet wipes. We have 2 different types because I'm me and, you know, things just can't be normal. So I have a peppermint towelette to, you know, feel a little bit refreshed before getting off the plane. And we have a lavender towelette to calm me down when I'm sat. I also have 4 packets of 2 sleeping tablets, and this tablet is diphenhydramine hydrochloride, 25 milligrams. Pass me out. And we've got a little packet of Tylenol that, again, I got in America because these little things are very handy. Okay, England, take note. Look at that, 2 in a pack. Get it in your bag, off you go. We have got Band-Aids and blister plasters because as much as you prepare, sometimes the blisters creep up on you, 1 for each foot. Then I have some boring Band-Aids, and then just to spice things up, I have a Hello Kitty Band-Aid. Why not, you know? Because if accidents happen, why not make them chic, you know? So that is everything in my little drugs bag. I have my AirPods because I'm that person. I also have a little Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer in the flavour Be Gnarly, which is apparently a lemon and lime you know, just feel fresh and rejuvenated. A pouch with chargers. This is non-negotiable, truly. So this little pouch I got from Amazon, and it says "Wish you have a happy life" on it. I mean, thank you, you too. And inside I have an adapter that, again, so this adapter is off Amazon, and it is great because not only is it slim and then you've got your USB bits, because everything is, you know, with a USB now. Its standard is the American one, and then you can slide in an English, and look at that, slide in a European. So you're covered for all bases. So I take all of them with me, mainly because they take up such little room. I've got an iPhone one, and I've got one for my camera, and that will do me during the trip, and if I need to charge when I'm at l'aéroport. I also apparently have small candies in here from, I actually remember this, from over a year ago when I went to Barcelona, and I stole these from the front of the reception. They had a bowl of them, and I took a handful and I put them in my bag. So nice little sweet treat if, you know, you get the hankering. I'm not gonna lie, it's a great little thing to have. The last thing is a pair of sunglasses, and I know you are rolling your eyes. You already knew which sunglasses would be accompanying me in my hand luggage. She has landed in Greece, and she's letting everyone know from the get-go what kind of girl they're dealing with, okay? With her brand new Fenty antisocial sunglasses. What are your carry-on essentials? Is there anything here that I have missed? And you're like, girl, I would take this with me in my carry-on, and you have made no mention of it. Or is there anything that you're like, that is a fabulous idea? Guys, like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, come and join us in our family of luxury addicts. We would love to have you. Have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye, guys.